infrastructure in Ghana.
Okay. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Noah from Loughborough University, and I'm presenting on the topic titled Exploring Digital Twins for Urban Road Infrastructure in Ghana. This work is part of a collaborative research led by Isaac Akomea, University of Western Sydney, Australia. Yeah.
All right, we can.
Okay. So I'm presenting on the topic titled Exploring Digital Twins for Urban Road Infrastructure in Ghana. And this work is part of a collaborative research led by Isaac Akomea-Frimpong, University of Western Sydney, Australia. So my presentation is organized into 7 sections, including the current overview of the market trends of digital twins and its application in the urban road sector. And also I will talk about how the study was conducted, and then the findings and the implication of the study to practitioners and the entire academic community. So my presentation starts. So in reality, almost 2 of every 5 road projects in Ghana have been in limbo. And according to literature, stakeholders have recommended the digital twins to address the challenges of project delays in the urban road sector in Ghana due to project delays as a result of improper planning and cost overruns. And looking at the chart here, it clearly shows the market trends of the digital twins. And as shown here, in 2023, it was estimated at 11.8 billion US dollars and forecasted to reach 522.9 billion US dollars in 2033. So the question is, will the urban road sector in Ghana be part of this growth? Yeah. So 6 main applications of the digital twins were discovered in literature, and at the most basic level here, product simulation, it allows engineers to test how a product is going to perform before it is ever installed. And unlike the product simulation allows engineers and planners to run scenarios, for instance, like to test how what is going to happen to traffic if a junction is closed for, let's say, 3 days for a maintenance project. And system prediction allow us to use the collected data through sensors to predict future occurrences to give interventions accordingly. And these applications can be applied across the entire life cycle of a project from the design to the decommissioning stage. So despite the immense benefit of digital twins, there are challenges to its implementation in the urban road sector in Ghana. So geographically, Ghana as a global south country is behind in digital twins implementation in its urban road infrastructure development, with minimal funding and research on digital twins. And also, at scholarly standpoint, there exist few studies which try to address the challenges to its adoption in the Ghanaian urban road sector, though there have been some recent studies which try to emphasize the building sector. So this research aims to explore the digital twins in the urban infrastructure development in Ghana by assessing its benefit and then the barriers to its implementation. So next on to the methodology. This study is basically a quantitative study with questionnaire survey as the primary data collection instrument. So we use the purposive and snowballing sampling to retrieve data from 212 respondents, which includes architects, civil engineers, and regulators in the urban road sector in Ghana. And after retrieving the data, we use the SPSS to analyze the data objectively. So with the contributions. To ascertain the importance level of each contributing factor, we use the relative importance index to analyze the data, and the exploratory factor analysis was used to identify the underlying groups of the contributions. So now there's the findings. So looking at the table here, 15 contributing factors were presented to respondents to rank them based on their knowledge and perception on a scale of 1 to 5. And as it is clearly showing here, all the factors receive positive ratings with RII scores ranging from 0.70 to 0.670 to 0.36036. And the highest rank factor there was improving construction planning, and this clearly this underscores the critical role digital twins has on improving the planning phase of road project, thereby saving cost time and improving the quality of road works. Also, improving energy efficiency and sustainability shows that professionals see the digital twins as a valuable tool for optimizing energy efficiency and the overall sustainability of road project. The least factor here, which is cloud detection and coordination, was interpreted as a global south phenomenon whereby the digital twin is in infant stage, which is yet to be adopted with existing BIM platforms to enable clash detection. Now the barriers. So using the exploratory analysis, two main components were identified. Component one, which underscores the technical barriers. These are the technical challenges engineers face when trying to adapt digital twins in construction works in Ghana. And the riskiest challenge was the investment gap. So it was recommended for collaborative funding effort to solicit funds to aid in digital twins implementation and construction works. On the other hand is the adoption barriers. This emphasizes the adoption and then the acceptance challenges stakeholders face in trying to implement digital twins. So this necessitates more training on digital twins to practitioners to enable it fully adoption. So the study has implications on both practitioners, regulators, and then to the academic community. And as we saw from the findings on the contribution, the highest ranking factor of improving construction planning and improving the energy efficiency, like clearly present opportunities to practitioners to embrace the digital twins in construction works to help expedite road projects and improve overall quality of construction works in Ghana. Also, the investment gap presents calls on government. Okay, the investment gap calls on government to provide incentives to motivate companies and then individuals to embrace digital trends. And also, this study set a very good stage for further studies in advancement of knowledge in this area of research. Now to the findings, to the conclusion, I will talk about the limitation of the study. So this study is basically a perception-based, which we try to seek the opinions of industry stakeholders. So we recommended that future studies should integrate the technical analysis and framework of digital twins using real-life projects, real-life project. And also the study was limited in Ghana with few participants, so we recommended that future studies should extend the scope to other global south countries to address the challenges of digital twins. Thank you very much.